Are you looking for a waterproofing, foundation, or crawl space repair company in the Charlotte area? Hi, my name's Corey Parks. I'm the owner of HydroHelp911. We know it can be overwhelming when searching for a dependable, trustworthy company to perform repairs on your home. You've probably run across the names of a few companies in your search, so we thought we'd show you a few comparisons between HydroHelp911 and one of our competitors, Sedona Waterproofing. You may be wondering, why would we do that? Well, we take pride in being open, honest, and transparent with our services, and we want our customers to have as much information as possible about the health of their home. We're not ones to shy away from a little competition, and we want you to feel confident with the company you choose for your foundation, crawl space, and basement repair needs. So we encourage you to compare. Sedona Waterproofing was founded in 2016 by Josh Landrio. It is a fully licensed and insured company based out of Concord, North Carolina. They are A+ rated and accredited by the Better Business Bureau and have 122 5-star Google reviews. They were presented the best mold remediation company in Concord, North Carolina by expertise.com. Sedona Waterproofing specializes in crawl space, basement, waterproofing, encapsulations, structural repair, and exterior drainage systems. HydroHelp911 was founded in 2017 by myself. We are fully licensed and insured and based just outside of Charlotte in Dallas, North Carolina. We are a small business and have less than 20 hard-working employees. We are rated A+ by the Better Business Bureau and have a 5-star rating on Google with almost 130 reviews, as well as a host of other Facebook, Angie's List, and Home Advisor reviews. We provide services for crawl space repair, encapsulation, basement waterproofing, both interior and exterior, and foundation repair, as well as masonry and structural support repairs. We provide custom solutions, and each repair is customized to your home's specific needs. You can find more information on our website, or if you'd like, schedule a complimentary consultation. Feel free to call us at 704-813-9554. Y'all have a good day.